If Outlook is showing the error that the primary account cannot be removed, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, the fastest fix is to create a brand new Outlook profile, set it as the default, and then remove the old one safely. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can get Outlook working again without wasting time guessing what to do next. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the control panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by typing control panel into the Windows search bar and opening it from the results. Once the control panel is open, look for the search box in the top right corner and type Mail. This is important because the Mail settings are where Outlook profiles are managed. Now click on Mail and you may see either Mail 32-bit or Mail 64-bit depending on your system. Open that option and a Mail setup window will appear. This is where you'll be able to manage your Outlook profiles. If you're trying to fix the primary account cannot be removed error, this is the area that usually solves it. Inside the Mail setup window, look for the section that lets you show profiles or manage existing profiles. From there, click Add to create a new Outlook profile. When prompted, enter a name for the new profile. You can choose any name you want, but it helps to pick something simple so you can recognize it later. After naming the profile, Outlook may ask you to enter your account credentials. If that happens, go ahead and sign in with the email account you want to use. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and allow Outlook to finish setting up the profile. Depending on your account type, this may take a few moments while Outlook connects and configures everything. Once the new profile has been created, the next step is extremely important. You need to make sure Outlook starts with the correct profile. In the Mail setup window, look for the option that says always use this profile or prompt for a profile to be used at startup. Select the new profile you just created, so Outlook uses it when it opens. This step matters because if Outlook keeps loading the old profile, you'll continue running into the same issue. By choosing the new profile on startup, you're telling Outlook to use the fresh setup instead of the one that's causing the problem. Now that the new profile is working, you can safely remove the old or unwanted profile. Go back into the profile management section, select the previous profile that is giving you trouble, and click Remove. Confirm the deletion if prompted. This is the part that helps eliminate the primary account cannot be removed error, because the old profile is often tied to that locked primary account. After removing the old profile, close the Mail settings and reopen Outlook to test it. If everything was done correctly, Outlook should open with your new profile and the error should be gone. You should now be able to manage your accounts normally without seeing that frustrating message again. If the problem still appears, double check that the new profile is set as the default profile and that the old one is fully removed. In some cases, restarting your computer after making these changes can help the updates take effect properly. And that's it. You've now fixed the Outlook primary account cannot be removed error by creating a new profile, setting it as the default, and removing the old one. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who might be stuck on the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.